High Fidelity Services, Verity Audio, and High Water Sound Room. And I want everybody to check this out. This is a new KL Audio. It's a dampening device that you put your machine in, and it has actually two fans. You can't see them; they're inside there in the base. And it's coming to market at just about $1,500. Jeff Catalano just told me. Is that right?
Yes.
Wow, that's very interesting looking.
It's all really hermetically sealed.
Look at that. Oh, that's totally cool.
And I'd say it cuts the decibel level down by about 2/3.
That's a big amount.
It's a big amount.
Yeah.
You can actually. We were actually cleaning records while people were listening, and it wasn't obtrusive at all.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a real smart device they've made.
It really is.
Well, I'm going to invite Paul over to give us a system walkthrough.
We're debuting a number of new products this year, showcasing Verity Audio's Parsifal anniversaries, celebrating their 25th year anniversary of the Parsifal.
Wow.
And driving the Parsifals, we're using Audio Flight's reference Strumento series products, the number 4 amplifier and the number 1 preamplifier, Strumento number 1. We're enjoying analog courtesy of High Water Sound and Jeff Catalano using the TW Acoustic GT-SE with 2 TW arms, 10.5 arms, and Miyajima cartridges, mono 0 on the rear arm, and the Madaki stereo cartridge on the front arm. All of which sitting on silent running audio platforms and rack. Our digital front end, we're fortunate enough to have Zandon CD player, and the phono stage behind the TW is the Audio Flight phono.
Is a subwoofer in the system? I see a sub over here.
Yeah, we're showcasing, actually this is also a debut from MJ Acoustics out of the UK. This is their new Kensington subwoofer, which is designed to really fit in architecturally much more nicely with a lot of homes. It can actually be used as a end table or a coffee table. There's absolutely no vibration or harmonics on the top.
Yeah, looks smart.
Sonically, we're not using that. We'll play some music in a minute. We're not using that in the system, but again, using it as a static display introduction to the market.
Okay.
The cabling is all by Unity Audio out of San Francisco, which is in partnership with High Fidelity Services.
Well, thank you very much, Paul from High Fidelity, and I'd like to invite Julian over to get into the shot and introduce everybody. I want the viewers to meet Julian from Verity Audio. Julian, how you doing?
Fine, actually. It's a great show here.
I've heard it's a great show. I hear the attendance is up and robust, and the sound is good.
Yes, and the rooms are good, so that's a good thing.
Well, congratulations on 23 or 25 years for this.
Actually, it's the 20th anniversary.
20th anniversary.
1995 till 2015, January will be 20th anniversary.
Well, it's one of the most legendary loudspeakers in modern day high performance audio.
Thank you.
So thank you very much for being in the business and bringing so much music to people's lives.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah.
Thank you.
But that's a real major change from the Parsifal Ovation. You know, the Ovation has been around for 10 years without changes. So this is real major in size. We actually removed the spikes on the replace it with a special, unique floor isolation platform. So now the speaker has the same sound no matter if you're on concrete floor, wood floor, carpet. Doesn't change it. And it also makes all the lower register more clean and defined.
Well, let's do some listening to your new design.
Very good, very good.
Thank you very much, Julian from Verity Audio.
You're welcome.
Okay, here we go. is captivating sound. It's just, I've got goosebumps on my legs right now, guys. It's really, really nice.
Thank you.
And so often I come to a show and you'll come into a room and it'll be, you can hear the hotness or the brightness, and just this is just so natural. Wow, spectacular room. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.